Hi kids, today we are going to study a new lesson, Term 3, Session 1, Unit 1, Learn Always. And the topic of the lesson is 5 detectives. Before that, shall we see some Pictionary words? Okay, first one, waxwork, a life-size dummy made of wax. Next, magician, a person who performs magic tricks. Next, disguise, to make a person look different to hide their identity. Next, cheat, a short I note on a piece of paper. Last one, statue, a human made figure of a person or animal that is life size or larger. In this lesson, the main character of the story is Arul, Amuda, Srijit, Jesse, Fatima, Bablu, the police officer. Okay. Okay, let's start. It was a sunny afternoon. After a long time in Ooty, Arul and Amuda were sitting on their balcony. The last 3 vacations were very exciting for them as they were involved in solving 3 mysterious cases in their city. They missed their friends Srijit, Jesse, and Fatima. They called themselves the 5 detectives or 5D. They were famous in Ooty for their courage and skill. The police appreciated 5D for their admirable acts. Amuda and Arul missed Bablu. Bablu was Srijit's dog. He played an important role in solving the mysteries. After a week, Srijit, Jesse, Fatima, and Bablu came to Amuda and Arul's house. Bablu was jumping with joy and continuously wagging his tail. Amuda told, "I'm so happy to see you all." Arul told, "Now we can all head to solve a mystery. It will make our vacation interesting." Srijit, "Mystery? Did something happen in the town while I was gone?" Arul, "No, Sri, nothing at all." Amuda urged that they all go to the town's fair. She told them about different games, magicians, and most importantly, the waxworks, a studio with many wax figures inside. After a lot of pestering, everyone agreed to go. On their way back, they saw Inspector Velayudham on his bike. He was the inspector of the area. Inspector Velayudham has been very busy these days, said Amuda. This made the group curious about what was happening in their city that they had no clue of. Monday, Jessie overheard her father talking on the phone about a robbery that was expected to take place in the museum. Jessie rushed to see her friends in the morning and told them what she heard. Srijit told, "Oh, now I know what Inspector Velayudham is up to." "Jesse, let us solve this case before he does." Srijit, "I feel we will find more clues if we are near the city area. We will also able to observe more things. I will disguise myself as that old man we saw on the street." Everyone agreed to it. Srijit dressed as an old man. Srijit sat on the old bench, coughed and sniffed like him. No one could recognize Srijit. Soon a man on a cycle came and sat next to the old man. He said, "Where have you been since yesterday? Take this." The man handed over Srijit a packet of chocolate and went away. Srijit took the chocolate and kept it in his pocket. He saw the real old man coming in his direction from the other side. He also saw Inspector Velayudham rushing out of a shop towards him. Fatima and Jessie were watching all this from afar. They got worried and rushed with Bablo towards the inspector. Bablo started barking and jumping on the inspector. The inspector was annoyed with the dog. Srijit saw it as a chance to run from there. He hid in a bush nearby. Inspector Velayudham ran towards the old man and caught him. Then he asked him to give the chocolate to him. The old man was puzzled. Inspector took the old man to the police station and locked him. While this was happening, the 5D gathered in Jessie's courage. They opened the chocolate to find a small chit. They opened it and found a list of grocery items. They were very confused. Amuda told, Shri, is it a code? Srijit, yes, it seems so. Amuda, I wonder if it is some kind of magic pen like the one you showed us. When we show it under a light, we can see the writing. Jessie, it could be. I still have his pen with me. I will go and get it at once. Jessie got a magic pen. They flashed the light on the paper and some words glowed on it. The message said, Tell number 3, Waxworks, Tuesday 9 pm, number 5. Arul told, Tomorrow is Tuesday, so the gang is meeting tomorrow. While they sat in the garden, Inspector Velayudham saw Srijit dressed as the old man. He was furious. Then Srijit had to confess. He handed over the chit to the inspector. The inspector was glad to have found the chit but was furious about their behavior. He warned them to stay away from the case. Srijit's idea was to disguise himself as a wax statue, as it will be the most easy way to get all the information. That evening, all of them went to Waxworks. They observed each wax statue and noted down details. While getting out of Waxworks, Srijit unlocked one of the windows in the room. Everyone's eyes lit up. They walked straight to the princess statue. They saw the diamond necklace. Srijit carefully removed it and kept it in his pocket. As soon as they came out, there was a senior policeman standing. The children went straight to him and handed over the diamond necklace. They told him the whole story. They were appreciated for their courage and dedication towards their city. Okay, kids, have you enjoyed this story? Okay, next homework. Read and write the glossary words one time. Page number 75. Thank you, students. We will meet in the next video.